Hi Prima, hi Princeton.
Hi.
Are you ready to teach our viewers how to play Mini Flush today?
Let's do it.
Mini Flush is a game that is the Indian version of 3-card poker. Mini Flush is a game played against the dealer with a 52 deck card. Mini Flush is a game that is related to games like Teen Patti and is a variant of Flush. In the game, the dealer deals 3 cards face down to all players at the table and herself. The objective of the game is to get a higher hand than the dealer's hand in the first 3 cards that are dealt to you.
Delton Casinos, where players become winners.
In Mini Flush, ranking of the hands remains the same. The highest is 3 aces and the lowest is 5-3-2 unsuited. The ranking of the hands differs from traditional poker hands where cards are ranked from highest to lowest. It's time to get to the game. Player starts the game by placing an ante bet or his initial bet, which is also called the board bet. The player may also bet on the optional high and low or the bonus betting options. The dealer then deals 3 cards to the player and self. After looking at their cards, the players may choose to play on, that is, bet on, or chooses to fold. To fold, that is, to quit playing. If the player chooses the option of playing on, they place a bet equal to the ante or board amount on the bet area. This bet is placed on top of their cards that are placed face down. If the player opts to fold, quits playing, they would lose their ante or board bet. We have all placed our initial bets and no one folds. Dealer opens her cards and she qualifies with a queen high. I have a straight and win even money on bet and board. I also get a board bonus, which is 1 time of the bet amount. Prima has a pair of kings. She gets paid even for bet and board, and the high bet is a push. Princeton has a king high flush. He gets paid even for bet and board, and on high, he will get paid twice his bet amount. If a hand does not contain a pair or better, the hand that contains the highest ranking card wins on being compared. Reminder that queen high is required to qualify by the dealer. The payout is 1:1. In the event of the player and the dealer having the same ranked hand, then the hands with the highest cards will be the winner. Player's hand wins payout as board 1:1 and bet 1:1. In case the player and the dealer have the same hands with identical cards, irrespective of the suit, the hand will be a push. When the dealer does not qualify, the bet is a push and the board wins 1:1. When the dealer qualifies and the player bets dealer's hand, the bet wins 1:1 and the board wins 1:1. When the dealer qualifies and the dealer hand beats the player's hand, board loses and the bet loses. Board bonus is played when a player is dealt one of the 3 top ranked hands in the game and only when player's hand beats the dealer's qualified hand. The board bonus payouts are as follows: 3 of a kind, 5-1, straight flush, 4-1, straight, 1-1. Let's now understand the rankings of cards and their payouts. Trail. When you have 3 aces, your hand is a trail. Payout is 100-1. Double run. 3 cards of the same suit in sequence is a double run, a straight flush. The payout is 75 to 1. Run. When you have 3 cards in a sequence but they are not of the same suit, you have a run or a straight. The payout here is 4:1. Flush. When you have 3 cards of the same suit and they are not in sequence, you have a flush. The payout is 2:1. Pair. When you have 2 cards of the same value, you have a pair. A pair is a push. Let's now talk about the low ranking cards and the payout odds for the low optional bets. The low ranking cards are 10 top, 9 top, 8 top, 7 top, 6 top and 5 top. Let me now explain to you what a 10 top means. 10 top is the highest card in which 10 is followed by 2 lower cards which are not in sequence and not of the same suit. Similarly, it works for all cards from a 9 top to a 5 top. Let's now understand the payouts for the low option betting. 10 top is a push, 9 top is 1:1, 8 top is 2:1, 7 top is 4:1, 6 top is 15:1 and 5 top is 50:1. Payout for all the winning low bets are made irrespective of the players continuing to play the game. We hope you've enjoyed this edition of the Learn to Play video series. We look forward to seeing you soon. Ciao!